it's so difficult until आप actually उस situation में हो अपने आप. But like we just met outside right now. It felt so good to see him. I'm gonna go and hang out with him Abhi also. So let the critics say what they want to say, man. Like हमें मालूम है हमारी सच्चाई क्या है.
Some of those people who were there with the other reality shows like Khatro Ke, you know, so those women or they found you very difficult or different on this show, not difficult, very different on this show. Not the same Bani that they had met. So what's the reason?
I don't know reason क्या होगी, but I'm guessing कि काफी साल हो गए since I've done a reality show. ऐसे बहुत this was something I thought about कि भाई मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं तैयार हूँ for doing such a show like you know Big Boss especially क्योंकि इतना daunting होता है ये जो नंबर आते हैं ना आपके सामने कि 105 दिन के लिए 15 हफ्तों के लिए you're gonna be in one place with people जो आप नहीं जानते हो. It's very daunting यार. और जो वजन होता है ना इन शब्दों का नंबरों का like I'm like my back is breaking, please stop talking, you know, it's like that. But I just what was the question?
Like Andrea, when she came on the show, when she met you in the other show, you were completely different. It's not the same Bani, she said.
So basically 11 साल हो गए and इसके दौरान I think I've done only 3 reality shows. This is my 4th one. That's a pretty big gap. अगर you know क्योंकि ऐसे भी कई लोग हैं जो लगातार reality shows back to back करते रहते हैं. Commendable यार जो लोग ये करते हैं. I don't know आप कैसे करते हो. So stressful. तो मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कि मेरा जो जर्नी रहा है 11 साल का मैं hopefully थोड़ी बड़ी होती गई हूँ. Over the years, I have learned some things like understanding, listening, even though they say I don't listen, and you know just dealing with situations and being patient. यार थोड़ा बहुत means like 2-5% क्योंकि हम लोग जितना भी बोलते हैं patient है, we're not patient.
Bani, you know, I mean, so, a lot of people, I don't know, on social media, this was the buzz that you were pre-decided to be a finalist because you worked with Viacom earlier. When you listen to things like that, and a lot of people say that on social media, when you listen to things like that, how do you react? I mean, does that feel bad?
No, I don't feel.
In continuation with this, they also said क्योंकि आप सलमान खान के अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
And like,
hi, what? Really? That's awesome.
Like he's favoring you and stuff.
Center look.
Center look. अच्छा हाँ, sorry.
So is it वो भी बात सही है क्या? कितनी बात है?
सलमान खान मेरे दोस्त है. How cool is that? I mean, I don't look at. ऐसे सलमान खान, like हम तो उनके सामने ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं यार. हम लोग बोलेंगे वो मेरे दोस्त है. That's really cool. कहने दो उनको बोलना है. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अगर वायकॉम की वजह से लोगों को लगता है कि मैं फाइनलिस्ट बन चुकी हूँ और तो उसके हिसाब से तो मुझे जीतना भी चाहिए था ना शो को.
Okay, बानी को अंडों से इतना प्यार क्यों है?
ये सब बात मेरे को पूछने. I will explain. मैं बताती हूँ कि मुझे अंडों से इतना प्यार क्यों है. It's very good for health. And घर के अंदर ना कोई नॉनवेज नहीं मिलता था unless हमें लग्जरी बजट हम लोग जीत जाते थे. और वो भी मुश्किल से हमें आधा किलो मिलता था between 15 people. तो क्या मिलेगा किसी को एक टुकड़ा. तो उसके हिसाब से अंडे जब आते थे यार भाई मेरी मस्जिद है थोड़ी बहुत जो बॉडी मैंने बनाई है कोशिश करने की घर के अंदर मेंटेन करने की. तो कितना प्रोटीन शेक पिएगा एक बंदा एक दिन में. तो मैं कोशिश करती यार एटलीस्ट 4 अंडे अगर मुझे मिल जाए ना तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. मेरे शायद थोड़ी सी बॉडी जो है वो मेंटेन हो जाएगी. That was it.
Bani, do you regret that physical tussle with Lopa?
No, I don't. I can't even say I regret. I regret the fact that I said things which I should not have said. I regret that. But the physical tussle obviously happened as a result of what was said. So I think I would like to go to the root cause, which was what was said, which upset her so much, which is the reason कि उसने मेरे को ऐसी चीजें सुनाई, which I heard, और फिर मैंने react करा, and then she also reacted. So I think कि हम दोनों गलत थे, but I think that I will have to take responsibility for that because I did make the second phone call also.
And will bygones be bygones with Lopa?
I mean, मेरी तरफ से तो yeah, totally. I apologize to her family, apologize to her father, apologize to her also a couple of times. So, and I even said, yeah, I know I made a mistake. I've accepted my mistake. If she accepts my apology, that's great. If she doesn't also, that's her call. So I'm not going to push it. If I know कि किसी से मेरी नहीं बन रही है,